Ryan. As he goes. It's like,
come on, get back on and do it again. Let me see you do a pretty figure eight. Do a figure eight.
Huh?
Do a figure eight.
Figure eight?
Yep.
What's a figure eight?
When you weaved in and out of people.
Huh?
When you weaved in and out of people, come over this way.
What?
When you weaved in and out. There you go.
Want me to do in slow motion?
Yeah, I think you're doing slow motion right now. Okay, pick up the speed. Show me how fast you can go now.
Okay.
whoops. It's so funny because it's so little. I put it like all into the board.
Oh.
Almost.
I can beat you, honey.
Oh, but it's so neat.